Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down real tech products so you can make smarter buying decisions. Today we're taking a closer look at a sleek wearable that's gaining attention for packing serious health tracking power into a tiny form factor. This is the NEXORIQ Smart Ring, designed for both men and women, and it promises to monitor your heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep quality, steps, calories, and more, all from your finger. Let's start with the design because that's one of the biggest reasons people consider smart rings in the first place. The NEXORIQ ring is slim, lightweight, and built for all-day comfort. If you've ever felt annoyed wearing a smartwatch at night, this solves that problem. It sits naturally on your finger and feels more like an accessory than a gadget. The shape is rounded, minimalist, and modern, available in multiple sizes, and honestly, you forget you're wearing it within minutes. Now let's get into what this ring can actually do. As soon as you put it on and pair it via Bluetooth, it starts tracking your heart rate throughout the day. It keeps an eye on your activity levels, steps, and calories, which helps you stay aware of how active you really are. It also includes blood oxygen and blood pressure monitoring, giving you a fuller picture of your overall wellness. For anyone trying to improve their fitness or simply stay on top of their daily health metrics, this ring works as a personal assistant on autopilot. One of the standout features here is the sleep tracking. The NEXORIQ Smart Ring records deep sleep, light sleep, and wake-up times with precision. When you check the app in the morning, you see a detailed breakdown of how long you stayed in each stage. Understanding your sleep patterns can help you improve your bedtime routine, recover better, and feel more energized during the day. For people trying to optimize their sleep without wearing a bulky device to bed, this is a major win. Battery life is another area where this ring does surprisingly well. NEXORIQ claims up to 7 days of use on a single charge. And that's a big deal because most smartwatches still need daily or near-daily charging. The included charging case makes it easy to top up without hunting for cables. And the ring uses a low-power design so you get continuous tracking without interruptions. The durability is also worth mentioning. The ring has an IP68 waterproof rating, which means you can wash your hands, shower, work out, or even swim without taking it off. The scratch-resistant build adds a layer of protection, making it suitable for people with active lifestyles. Whether you're lifting at the gym, running outdoors, or just doing chores, it holds up well. In terms of compatibility, the smart ring works with both Android and iOS devices, so no matter what phone you use, the experience stays smooth. You get all your health metrics synced automatically, and the interface is simple enough for anyone to understand. While this ring doesn't include GPS and isn't meant to replace a full fitness watch, it shines in what most people actually want: passive, comfortable, 24/7 health monitoring. It gives you insights without demanding your attention, and that's what makes it so appealing. If your goal is to track heart rate, sleep, activities, and general wellness without wearing something bulky on your wrist, the NEXORIQ Smart Ring delivers a stylish and practical solution. Before we wrap up, let's talk about who this ring is best suited for. If you want a lightweight, discreet wearable that helps you stay informed about your health, this is a great option. It's also an excellent choice for people who value sleep tracking or prefer something they can wear all day without noticing. And because the design looks more like jewelry than tech, it works well for professionals who want something subtle, as well as fitness enthusiasts who want constant monitoring without distraction. That's the NEXORIQ Smart Ring: compact, durable, and surprisingly capable. If you're looking to upgrade your wellness routine with something stylish and practical, this might be the perfect fit. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you want more in-depth breakdowns of tech products just like this, be sure to subscribe and stick around for future reviews.